We have the Arctis watch,
Yeah.
and we have the 206 AR SDIR. It's the same watch more or less with a black dial.
Yeah.
And it was the first watch 20 years ago with the AR dehumidifying technology. And yeah, also a nice piece. They're both not limited. They go straight ahead.
So they won't be...
No. Because we would create a need and, you know, this kind of... Then we have to separate the watches into different markets and stuff like that. And, I mean, we need a chronograph back in our collection, which is the most important point, because the U1000 is sold out.
Sold out?
Yeah, it's sold out.
Huh.
And that's the first more fashionable strap we have, actually. But I mean, we're well known for watches and not for straps. I often see Sinn watches with different straps or different NATOs, but we now start to have some cool and nice straps too. But this one is with the red stitching.
Yeah.
Nice. I mean, this one looks completely different with a massive bracelet, which I have. And we always have, when you buy one of our financial district watches, we always give them with a massive bracelet and with a leather strap.
So it's in one box altogether?
It's in one big box.
Cool.
Yeah.